In the Blending Several Textures with Vertex Alpha guide, we went over the basics, so this guide will go into less detail. If you are on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to Max Legacy and restart 3ds Max. Start by creating a plane with a good amount of segments and set up your displacement. I had already found these values to work, but you are free to tweak the settings yourself and find something that works for you, as you will still be able to follow along for the remainder of this guide. I want less polygons to work with, so the retopology modifier will fix this for me. The default settings are fine. Add another retopology and set to 2500 faces. I'll use grass as base texture and rock as second layer. Unwrapping with Pelt Map and then tweaking with UVW X-Form works fine. Clone the model, which will be the second layer. Set up the material and render settings for iterating your work. Extrude to offset the layer slightly. Vertex paint the whole mesh black and start painting white with your brush. I want grass to be visible on 90-degree angles, which is the top of the terrain, and then up to about 30 degrees on the sides, just to have some variation between the rock and grass on the sides. You don't have to paint completely white. You can change your brush opacity with Shift Left Alt button and holding LMB. This can be useful for bringing in more subtle rock to the terrain. Be cautious not to have too much dark gray colors in your mask, as grass with a tiny bit of rock blended together will look fake. So try to add some strong white spots in your alpha mask to add back some contrast. You can also clamp your mask edges by using the Adjust Color option and tweaking the black, gray, and contrast sliders. You can utilize multiple Vertex paint modifiers if you would like. When happy with the result, remove any black faces as they won't be rendered in-game and are therefore bloated geometry. Copy Channel 9, Data to Vertex Alpha Channel. The reason for this is the two channels are responsible for rendering Vertex Alpha during day and night each. Set up your Vertex colors. I am just adding gray color to both. Export both without light flag and with Vertex prelights and extra Vertex colors. Vertex Alpha cannot render with light flag, which is the setting that adds skylighting and some exposure to models. Export the base terrain collision. With MTA, you can reuse the base terrain collision for the alpha blend as well. But if you are modding single player, you will instead need to create a separate collision for the alpha blend. To do so, import your collision into SteveM's collision editor and click Create LOD. Delete the original collision and save as collision. As alpha blend is only an overlay, it won't need its own collisions, but only collision bounding box and sphere.